Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change screen timeout in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in our Vivo phone. Guys, in this video guys I am going to show you guys how to change screen timeout in our Vivo phone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to change screen timeout. Guys, scroll it and guys click on display and brightness setting, and guys you can see your screen timeout. So guys tap here, so guys you can change your screen timeout from here. So example work we will take this 15 second. And guys, now let's see how to use screen timeout setting. So you can see guys our phone screen is on, and guys after 15 seconds guys our phone screen will off. Wait and watch. Before going guys, please go and like my video and subscribe my channel. And friends, do you have any doubt in your Vivo phone, so you can ask me in comment section. So that's it guys, bye bye friends.